Hi, come on in. I'm Gerry Oginski, a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney. Today's video answers the question, should you be handling your own personal injury or medical malpractice case here in the state of New York? To answer that question, I'm going to give you the short answer first. The answer is you certainly could. The longer answer is you probably don't want to, and here's why. Unless you know exactly how the litigation process works and all the rules and regulations that go into the handling and the procedural issues of a lawsuit, my strong recommendation is you should not be handling this type of matter on your own. Let's assume it's a malpractice case. Do you understand the rules that are necessary in order to have an expert review your records and confirms that not only is there liability, but there is causation and damages? Let me put it another way. In a nutshell, did somebody do something wrong that caused you injury that's significant or permanent? And if so, has a doctor confirmed each one of those elements? Because if they haven't, then there's no way you can go forward with a case since you have to get confirmation. Do you have a full understanding of the documents necessary to prepare in order to get your case started? Do you know what a summons is? Do you know what a complaint is? Are you familiar with the different causes of action that are required and the language that has to go into those particular documents in order to protect your rights? Do you know exactly how much time the people have in order to answer those documents? More importantly, do you know how to actually take those documents and actually serve them upon the people that you are suing? Do you understand how much time the defense has in order to answer and reply to the complaint? What do you have to do next? Are you familiar with something known as a notice of medical malpractice action? Do you know what a preliminary conference is and how to request one? Do you know what the steps are in order to exchange discovery and what discovery items must be exchanged? And if you're not familiar with all the procedural steps that have to happen in your particular case, I guarantee you you're going to encounter lots of obstacles that may be difficult, if not impossible, for you to overcome. Do you know how to conduct a deposition? Do you know what objections to raise during a deposition? For most people, they don't have that information, and they have to rely on an experienced attorney to handle that stuff for them. So, to go back to the original question, should you handle your case on your own? The answer is you could. If you're an experienced attorney or you have the knowledge and understand the entire litigation procedure, that's when you can handle the case on your own. If not, I strongly recommend that you hire an experienced trial attorney to help guide you through the process. So why am I telling you this? I tell you this because it's important that you understand what your legal rights are. And it's important that you get the answers to your questions and somebody who's going to help guide you throughout the litigation process. And that's why I'm here. I do this every single day. I answer legal questions like these every single day. So if you have questions, what I want you to do is I want you to pick up the phone and call me. I welcome your call. I answer these questions all the time. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. By the way, if you found this information helpful, what I want you to do is to press that button below. It says like, especially if you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube. Why do I want you to do that? Because your friends will get the benefit of the same exact information that you just got. It'll be a help to them. And that's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks so much for watching.